We begin our journey with the Mansory-Lamborghini Revuelto 2025, a machine that perfectly captures Mansory's philosophy, taking something already outrageous and pushing it into pure insanity. Lamborghini's first hybrid supercar is a beast in its own right, but Mansory's version transforms it into a full-blown hypercar from another planet. The body is completely reworked in forged carbon fiber, every curve sharpened for aerodynamic dominance. The front bumper gains massive air intakes, the hood features deep carbon vents, and the rear is dominated by an enormous spoiler that looks straight off a race car. Even the taillights are redesigned to fit Mansory's aggressive signature. Under the hood, the hybrid V12 engine is tuned to over 900 horsepower, delivering brutal acceleration and spine-tingling performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit covered in Alcantara, gold stitching, and glowing carbon trims. It's not just a car, it's a spaceship built for Earth's roads. Next up is the Mansory Ferrari SF90 Tempesta Celeste, a jaw-dropping reinterpretation of Ferrari's hybrid supercar. The name, Tempesta Celeste, meaning heavenly storm, couldn't be more fitting. Mansory gives the SF90 a new soul, wrapping its body in sky blue carbon fiber and reshaping the aerodynamics for both speed and style. The front splitter is razor sharp, the sides flow like waves, and the rear diffuser looks like it's ready to tear the ground apart. The hybrid V8 now produces over 1,100 horsepower thanks to advanced tuning and titanium exhaust systems that make it scream like thunder. The cabin is an art piece, icy blue leather with silver carbon accents and laser-etched patterns. Its performance fused with poetry, and every inch of it demands attention. Moving to the Mansory Rolls-Royce Spectre 2025 edition, we step into the world of electric opulence. Mansory took Rolls-Royce's first ever electric coupe and made it look like a vision from the future. The smooth, graceful lines of the Spectre now wear a wide-body carbon kit with illuminated trim, glowing from beneath like it's alive. The front grille is redesigned with Mansory's bold vertical slats, and the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem softly glows as if floating in the air. The car sits on enormous 24-inch forged wheels that glide silently. Inside, it's pure luxury, diamond-stitched leather in white and blue, starlight roof lining that changes color, and carbon panels that shimmer with light. Mansory didn't just make the Spectre faster, they made it an experience where elegance meets electricity. Then comes the Mansory McLaren Artura 720 Evo, where the sleek McLaren hybrid becomes a race-bred street monster. The exterior is dominated by a two-tone carbon finish, wild side vents, and a twin rear wing setup that looks track-ready. The lightweight structure gives it blistering agility, while Mansory's tuning takes the twin-turbo V6 engine to 750 horsepower. The 0–100 km/h sprint happens in less than 3 seconds. The interior follows Mansory's futuristic theme: bright orange Alcantara, carbon racing seats, and laser-cut patterns across the dashboard. It's like stepping into the cockpit of a jet, designed for speed and precision. From sleek supercars, we shift to raw dominance, the Mansory Mercedes-AMG 63 P850 2025. The G-Wagon has always been a Mansory favorite, and this latest version is nothing short of intimidating. The entire body is reworked with exposed carbon fiber panels, muscular fenders, and a massive front grille with glowing Mansory badging. It's taller, wider, and far meaner than anything you'll see on the road. Underneath, the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 is boosted to 850 horsepower, turning this luxury SUV into a performance beast. Inside, neon-accented leather, starry LED ceilings, and carbon fiber, everything make it a rolling nightclub of power and prestige. When you see a Mansory G63, you don't just notice it, you feel it. Now, we arrive at pure royalty, the Mansory Bugatti Chiron Centaurea 2025 update. Just when you think a Bugatti can't possibly get more extreme, Mansory proves otherwise. The Centaurea features a body completely crafted from blue-tinted carbon fiber, making it shimmer under light like liquid sapphire. Aerodynamic fins, a redesigned diffuser, and new intakes push airflow efficiency to new levels. The W16 engine still pumps out nearly 1,600 horsepower, but Mansory refines its delivery with precision tuning. The cabin glows with futuristic ambient lighting, quilted leather, and metallic detailing. It's not just speed. Its sculpture a symbol of ultimate excess and engineering art. Next, the Mansory Aston Martin DB12 Vantage Special blends British sophistication with German boldness. The original DB12 is already stunning, but Mansory enhances it with a matte bronze finish, deeper intakes, and sculpted side skirts. The front grille gets Mansory's signature carbon fiber pattern, while the rear diffuser is redesigned for better performance. Under the hood, the twin-turbo V8 now roars with 720 horsepower, giving it both grace and aggression. Inside, handcrafted tan leather and polished aluminum create a warm, luxurious atmosphere, a gentleman's grand tourer turned into a rebel. Finally, we close the list with the Mansory Porsche 911 Turbo S Stealth Edition 2025, a car that redefines subtle aggression. At first glance, it looks understated in its matte black carbon finish, but every detail reveals power gold brake calipers, custom forged wheels, and an exhaust note that growls like thunder. Mansory pushes the twin-turbo flat-six engine beyond 215 miles per hour in top speed, while the handling feels razor-sharp and responsive. Inside, minimalism meets extravagance, black Alcantara with golden stitching, a digital steering interface, and Mansory branding etched into the dash. It's fast, focused, and flawlessly balanced, the perfect finale to Mansory's 2025 masterpiece lineup. Each of these 8 cars showcases Mansory's relentless creativity, a balance of madness and precision that turns every vehicle into a one-of-a-kind expression of art, power, and personality. These are not just supercars. They are statements designed to shock the world and redefine what it means to drive something truly extraordinary. And there you have it. 8 of the most breathtaking, outrageous, and masterfully customized supercars of 2025, each carrying the unmistakable signature of Mansory. From the raw, hybrid power of the Lamborghini Revuelto to the quiet luxury of the Rolls-Royce Spectre, every single one of these machines is proof that Mansory doesn't just modify cars, they sculpt dreams out of metal, carbon fiber, and imagination. These creations go far beyond performance numbers. They're about identity, presence, and the fearless pursuit of perfection. Every detail, every curve, and every stitch tells a story of craftsmanship that challenges what we think a car can be. Mansory's 2025 lineup shows us that in a world where luxury is often predictable, true artistry still exists, bold, unapologetic, and untamed. Whether it's the ferocious growl of a tuned V12 or the silent hum of an electric masterpiece, Mansory proves that style and speed can coexist in harmony. These cars aren't made for everyone. They were built for those who dare to stand apart, for those who believe that driving should be an experience, not just a routine. So, which one of these Mansory legends captured your heart the most? The futuristic Ferrari SF90 Tempesta Celeste, the mighty G63 P850, or the elegant Bugatti Chiron Centauria? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed exploring this world of extreme luxury and power, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into the most extraordinary machines on the planet. Until next time, keep chasing your passion, drive with style, and remember, in the world of Mansory, perfection has no limits.